Hello everyone. So the PFRDA Grade A notification for 2025 has been released, and in today's video I will inform you about the pattern of the PFRDA Grade A examination. The pattern is very important for your preparation because once you understand that what are the components, what is the weightage of the component, then you can prepare in a well manner for all the different components. Okay, and today we will discuss about the negative marking and such also, so you will get the information about the pattern in detail. So before starting with this pattern, there is a very big announcement and a surprise for you, that is EduTap has launched free course where you are getting the free material absolutely free of cost. You are getting the material which will inform you about the examination, and you are also getting the demo material. Okay, so let's see. If you click on this link, you can go to the free course, and this link will be provided to you in the description box below. So here you can see that you are getting the information about the examination, you are getting the strategy and sources that you can follow for the examination for the different components, and you are also getting free material. For you can see you are getting free classes, like you are getting demo material for the notes, summary sheet, the solved previous year questions, and the different documents you are getting absolutely free of cost. This is the demo material that will help you to understand that what EduTap provides in the PFRDA course. Okay, so these are the demo material that you can see to understand that what we provide and what is the quality of the material and such. Now this is the free course that is absolutely free of cost, and I will suggest you that do utilize the free materials to better enhance your preparation. Okay, now let's see the pattern for the PFRDA grade A examination. So the pattern is that there is phase 1, there is phase 2 and phase 3. Before starting with the phase 1 and the components that are in the phase 1, let's see the important dates to remember. So online application portal has been opened for the application filling and for the payment of fee, and this has been opened from 23rd June 2025 till 6th August 2025. So you have a lot of time to fill the form, but I will suggest you that fill it as soon as possible so that you do not forget it later on. Okay, now the phase 1 online examination will be on 6th September 2025, and the phase 2 examination will be on October 6, 2025. So you have time, so prepare in a well manner. Okay, now starting with the phase 1. Starting with the phase 1 of the PFRDA grade A examination. Now in the phase 1, it is an online examination that will consist of 2 papers, paper 1 and paper 2. Both of these papers will be of 100 marks each. Okay, now in the paper 1, there is QRE and GA, that is there is quant, reasoning, English and GA, that will each consist of 25 marks, and the number of questions will be 20. Okay, so in each of this component there will be 20 questions carrying maximum 25 marks, and the duration of the paper 1 will be 60 minutes. So you will get 60 minutes to answer 80 questions that carry 100 marks. This is for paper 1. Now in paper 2, that is general stream. For the general stream, there will be multiple choice questions on subjects like commerce, accountancy, management, finance, costing, Companies Act, economics and pension sector. So there will be multiple choice questions. 50 questions will be there carrying 100 marks. You will get 40 minutes to answer these questions. Okay, so this is the paper 1 and paper 2. Now there are certain things that you need to keep in mind, that there will be negative marking of 1/4 of the marks assigned to the question for phase 1, paper 1 and paper 2. So in both the paper 1 and paper 2, there will be negative marking of 1/4 of the marks. Separate cutoff in each paper as well as aggregate cutoff. So for each paper I am talking about, okay, not component. For each paper there will be separate cutoff as well as aggregate cutoff in phase 1. So for these two papers, there will be separate cutoffs as well as aggregate cutoff also. Okay, the minimum aggregate cutoff for being shortlisted for phase 2 will be decided by the authority as per the number of vacancies. Marks obtained in phase 1 will not be utilized after you have been selected for phase 2. That means the phase 1 marks are only used for your selection in the phase 2. After you have been selected for the phase 2, then the phase 1 marks will not be utilized. Candidates who have cleared the phase 1 will be intimated the date and time for the phase 2 by email or call letter and such. Okay, next is phase 2. Now we have discussed about the phase 1. Now coming to the phase 2. Now in the phase 2, this is again online examination consisting of 2 papers, paper 1 and paper 2, of 100 marks each. So paper 1 will have maximum 100 marks. Paper 2 is also of 100 marks. In the paper 1, this is the descriptive test. So English descriptive test to test the drafting skills. Number of questions will be 3, and you will get 60 minutes to answer these 3 descriptive questions carrying 100 marks. General stream, then paper 2 is general. For this general stream is MCQs on subjects like commerce, accountancy, management, finance, costing, companies act, economics and pension sector. 50 questions you will get, the MCQ 50 MCQs you will get, for which you will get 100 marks. Okay, the duration is 40 minutes. For the other streams, you can see. Now next is the important key ideas that you need to keep in mind. Candidates shortlisted for phase 2 will be issued new call letters. That means new admit cards you will be getting for the phase 2. There shall be negative marking of 1/4 of marks assigned to the question for phase 2 paper 2. So in the paper 2, as it is MCQ based, okay, so the negative marking for each of the question will be 1/4 of the marks. Candidates would need to secure separate cutoff in each paper as well as aggregate cutoff marks in phase 2. So you will need to secure separate cutoff as well as aggregate cutoff marks in phase 2 to be selected for the phase 3. The minimum aggregate cutoff marks for being shortlisted for phase 3 will be decided by the authority. That means the aggregate cutoff and such will be decided by the authority after you have, after the exam has been conducted. So paper 1 will be evaluated. Now remember this key idea that paper 1 will be evaluated. That means English descriptive test will be evaluated only for such candidates who obtain minimum qualifying marks in paper 2. That means first your paper 2 will be evaluated. You have got the minimum qualifying marks, then only your paper 1 will be evaluated. Okay, so shortlisted candidates will be intimated the time and the date and time of the phase 3. All question papers except the test in English will be set bilingually in Hindi and English. Now coming to phase 3, only the shortlisted candidates after the phase 2 will be called for interview. Okay, candidate may opt for interview either in English or Hindi. So this is a good news. Now the marks obtained in phase 2 online written examination will be allotted a weightage of 85%. So the phase 2 exam has the weightage of 85% and phase 3, that is your interview, has the weightage of 15%. Okay, so this is the idea about the pattern. I hope you have understood it clearly. Now before ending the session, let me show you that if you go to edutab.in, so if you go to edutab.in, you can go to the EduTab's website, and in the EduTab's website, in the courses section, you can see the courses for the PFRDA Grade A that we are soon going to launch. Okay, so stay in tune, and in the courses in the edutab.in, that is the EduTab's website, you can, in this edutab.in, in the courses section, you can see the courses for the PFRDA that we are soon going to launch for all of you. Okay, till then you can see the free course that has been provided to you at free of cost. Okay, thank you everyone. I hope this video was informative for you. Thank you everyone.